Yeah, that'd be awesome. If you could just do like a minute, a 30, and a 10, something like that. That'd be cool. Thank you. All right, we'll dedicate this one to Jerry. 3, 2, 1. Hello from Denver, Colorado. I'm Chief Meteorologist Kathy Sabin, and we have a beautiful Friday on tap. Now, this week, the weather has been crazy. Severe weather almost each and every afternoon, but we're so fortunate because we often get to see a skyline like this. Beautiful cloud formations, wonderful rainbow shots. I mean, the skies over Colorado, nothing like it. It's like a picture postcard painting every day. Well, the weather pattern is changing. High pressure is rebuilding over the area, and the flow around it is clockwise. So the plume of moisture going around last week's heat dome has shifted east, and that's allowed for a warming and drying trend. And with the storm track north, incoming systems from the Pacific Northwest to the northern Rockies are staying north for now. Now, you can't rule out a thunderstorm this time of year, and Storm Prediction Center does have a small area of northeastern Colorado in that marginal risk, a level 1 out of 5 for storms that might have more than just rain. And that's because a little wave is going to cross northern Colorado. So we'll watch for that. But as we head into tomorrow, the severe threat really non-existent across our state. So we'll be watching the northeastern corner for isolated severe storms today east of Fort Morgan and Sterling out to North Platte in western Nebraska. So lots of sunshine to start on a beautiful Friday, and temperatures will soar as a result. The winds are going to increase out of the southwest, but any time of year when you've got available moisture from thunderstorms and heating of the day, you'll get a couple of hit and miss storms, and that's what we'll see today. And with that weak front crossing northern Colorado, 1 or 2 of those east of Akron and Lyman might have a little hail in them. Air quality has not been great, which is a bummer to mention. High levels of ground ozone, so that air quality alert has been extended out in a day where we start in the 60s and climb to the low 90s. 7-day forecast includes an above average temperature trend, and it does look like that above average temperature trend will last today and tomorrow. We do bring in a little bit of a cool down Sunday, and then scattered storms with even cooler air coming in on Monday. Garden variety storms through the middle of next week with comfortable highs in the mid 80s. Chris? I need to take that one graphic out. Is that anyway beyond the board? Yeah, maybe I'll just leave that in there. Okay, Gazette's coming up. Let me edit out some of this stuff. Bing. I'm gonna make it short and sweet. Okay. Ready. Hello, I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Kathy Sabin on a beautiful Friday. Showers and storms tracking east away from Colorado as high pressure settles back into the region. There may be a little wave that crosses the northern half of the state, so there's the chance in extreme northeastern Colorado for a couple of thunderstorms that could have more than rain. It's level 1 out of 5, but the rain and hail potential is there east of Fort Morgan out to Sterling and North Platte. We'll be watching that throughout the day. For Denver, a sunny start to the day, a dry day, a few high clouds coming in, and a couple of hit and miss storms on the eastern plains in the afternoon. They should stay below severe limits, but we'll watch for those and track those for you throughout the afternoon. Air quality not great. We have an alert out through 4 o'clock this afternoon for high levels of ground ozone. We'll start in the 60s, warm to the low 90s. The kickoff of a warming trend that will see us above average through Sunday. Monday looks cooler with a few storms in the afternoon, and then we're back to the 80s with isolated storms on Tuesday and Wednesday. Much more on the extended forecast and all the day's news today and tonight on the networks of 9 News. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.